So I'm looking at a property and I wanted to record some thoughts. When you are renovating properties, renovations are heavily reliant on you following sequence. There's a sequence to construction when you are remodeling. Early on in my career, I struggled with this big time. Probably one of my biggest struggles. And it was one of my biggest struggles because I don't come from a construction background. So I had to learn the hard way. It took me years to understand about sequence. And even after I had a level of competency in it, I still had challenges. So I want to encourage you guys who are buying houses to remodel, to sell, to flip, the wholesalers who are virtually wholesaling. I understand you guys want to make money, and there's nothing wrong with making money. I want you guys to be educated and competent. It's more than just buying a house and replacing carpet or painting or installing a new bathroom vanity. If you're gonna do it right, understand sequence.